Hi loves, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. We are doing 10 products under $20. Fantastic buys. So if you want to know more about that, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. Alright you guys, so I have a great selection of 10 products and each of them is under $20. Now actually most of them are under $10 or $15. So I wanted to bring you guys an affordable video. I know that is a little bit hard out there these days, and so I just wanted to cater to you guys and bring a little bit of fun, affordable beauty. Alright, so let's start with skincare. This cleanser by Chemist Confession, you guys are sleeping on this. This cleanser is $15. It has lasted me well over 3 months. It is a soap-free cleanser. This is a cleanser formulated by my friends at Chemist Confession. I don't talk about it just because they're my friends, but it is so darn good. I actually use this twice a day. This cleanser can be used by all skin types. Again, it's formulated right in the pH area to make sure it doesn't strip any of your natural oils, as well as, again, it's soap-free, y'all. So this is basically like a milk cleanser, a gentle cleanser, and a gel cleanser, but it's so gentle, and it's only 15 bucks, and this lasts you forever. Alright, so now for a brand new essence, I mean, obviously I talk about the CosRX essences all the time. They're very affordable, but this one is called the Niacini 97 Power Essence. It is so gosh darn good, you guys. It's carried on Yes Style, and I'm sure a few other places. I have all my list of notes over here for the prices, and this is only $17, and this is your daily dose of niacinamide. I've actually been mixing it with my Stem Factor from Osmosis just because I love them together, but it can be used totally by itself as your daily essence, and it's lightweight enough that even oilier skin types could use it. Niacinamide, as we know, is fantastic for tightening up pores, overall skin texture, brightening the skin. It's great for anti-aging. It contains 92% of the galactomyte fermented filtrate and 5% of niacinamide. So the galactomyte filtrate is also going to give that hydration, plumping. It's really great food for the skin. It's also going to help keep the skin very clear if you deal with hormonal acne. And you can use it twice a day. It's fantastic, and it's obviously cruelty-free. Now, this moisturizer, you guys, I have been using it kind of non-stop. This is the Good Molecule Silicone-Free Priming Moisturizer. This moisturizer is only $14. A little bit goes a long way. It's fantastic, honestly, for all skin types. If you are more of that really severe, like dehydrated Sahara skin, this probably wouldn't be the best bet for you, but it's great for everyone else. It is obviously silicone-free, as it says, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, mineral oil-free, PEG-free, vegan, and of course, cruelty-free. Love this moisturizer. I use it, as it says, a moisturizer and a primer, but I always put my SPF on after it. But I'm wearing this product again today, and I am fully obsessed. And for the price point, it's literally only $14. You can't beat this, and Beautylicious customer service is fantastic. This moisturizer also has a plant-based, naturally derived alternative to silicone to help smooth skin texture and plump fine lines, which I absolutely love. It also has essential fatty acids in it, as well as macadamia and seed nut for hydration and nourishing, and vitamin E. All right. So this one, I just find myself becoming like so obsessed with this. This is the Milani Soft and Glow Complexion Enhancer. I have it on today with my, this is not under 20, but the Osmosis Foundation. This is only $9.99. It is the most beautiful, affordable complexion enhancer I have probably ever purchased. Again, like I said, I have it on today. It does come in a couple different colors. I am in number 1. It is so gorgeous. If you guys are sleeping on this and you want that kind of extra lit from within glow, this is fantastic. Love. And the price, honestly, you can't beat. I bought it at Target. Now, for concealer, this I've been testing and trying for quite a few months. I've talked about it on my best of concealers, but I really want to talk about it again because I think it's a brand that not very many people know about and that they sleep on this one. But this is the Julius Place concealer. This concealer is 14 bucks, guys. It is way better than any other kind of drugstore concealer in my opinion. I have it on again today. It is more of a fuller coverage concealer. The doe foot applicator is huge and it comes in the most gorgeous large array of colors. I mean, the color range on this is just to die for, honestly. And you can actually use it as a foundation, so you can use a lighter color kind of in the middle, a darker color on the perimeter. It's just so beautiful and very well made, and a little bit goes a long way. This probably would last you half a year using it every single day. I love it. All right, so let's talk about what is on my eyeballs. I've talked about this before as well, but Alter Ego makes this beautiful palette. It's called the Daydream Alter Ego palette. This palette is huge, gorgeous, and it's only $18. Look at it. It's gorgeous. The mattes in here are so beautifully done. And what I have on my eyes today, I will scoot in and I will show you. I have on Sunkissed and Fawn, and this actually lives in my bathroom upstairs. So I have that combined together in the crease area and underneath the eye. 18 bucks, y'all get on that. And then in this section right here, I have, these are my dupes for the Charlotte Tilbury Cream Potted cream eyeshadows. These are by Pixie. These are called the Endless Shade Stick. These are 14 bucks, guys, 14 bucks. This color, what I have on right now, again, like right here, is called Bronze Blaze, and the other one that I really love is like kind of more of a coppery color, and that is called Copper Glaze. If you guys don't want to go out and buy Charlotte Tilbury, this is honestly all day long such beautiful, beautiful cream eyeshadows. They're stunning. Now, you heard me talk about these two on some of my other videos, but I just really want to pull them out. So this is the Elle No Budge Retractable Liner. I'm obsessed. I want more. This is only like $4 at Target, and it goes on so beautifully. If you guys watched my video on my signature smoky eyeliner look, this is what I used. It is so easy, and then it stays on all day until you remove it. It stays in the waterline, you know, up top here. You guys, it's just one of those that if you guys have not tried this, it is the most affordable and well-made product. And then now if you're looking for an easy to use liquid eyeliner, which I don't use them a whole host a lot, but I really love this one. This is by Undone Beauty, and I love the way that the tip is shaped. And I bought this on Amazon, and it's only $12. The way that it's shaped, it's a felt tip pen. It is just so gorgeous, and it's more of a chocolate brown, the one that I got. And I find it to be very easy to stamp along the lash line because of the shape of it, and then kind of connect it. It's a very easy, user-friendly eyeliner. And if you're looking for a liquid one that stays on all day too, look no further. And then for my last one is going to be this lip that I'm wearing. This was actually recently sent to me by Alter Ego. This is their liquid lip, their matte liquid lip, and this is in Crush. And it is only $6. And I've been wearing it pretty much like every day that I'm kind of just running out. What I like to do is I'll just put on some mascara and then I'll pop this on and then I'm out the door. It's not drying. The component is remarkably similar to something else that I've seen out there on the market. I can't put my finger on it, but it's gorgeous, very well made. It is such a beautiful color. It comes in a whole host of different colors, but I find it to be great price, and you can buy like the palette and this go really well together, all the colors, so you can kind of have that cohesive monochromatic look. But it feels really comfortable. It stays on for hours. It's really long wearing, and you just can't beat the price, honestly. So those are my 10 under 20. If you guys like these videos, please comment below. Let me know, and I will try to do that. I have another dupes video coming up hopefully soon, and I hope y'all are taking care of yourselves, and I will see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.